Peace and love supreme unto everyone. Welcome to the chosen. Salute to the divine. Yes, the gods. What's up? It's your girl T Honey, the artist T, the medium. I'd like to welcome you all back to the Divination Station. Welcome all aboard the love train. I'm your host T Honey, the artist T, the medium. And what's good, Aries? This is getting ready to be your one hit quitter message. So let's see. Why can't I talk with y'all? Okay, I don't understand. Let's see what's going on with you guys, Aries. Some of you guys are, I'm getting throat chakra shit with you, Aries. Okay. Okay, Aries. So maybe this is about to be mostly channel messages for you. Is somebody sick? Is somebody under the weather? Someone may not be feeling well. Someone has a cold or a cough. This cold or this cough is spiritual though. It's representing some emotions or something you have built up inside of you that you're not expressing. There's a truth that needs to be spoken or something that needs to be spoke up on that will bring about clarity, and you're holding it. Okay? You could be holding your tongue because maybe you feel angry about something, or I have no idea what this is. But whatever this is, this throat thing and this cough is because you're holding back some sort of a truth. Okay? It's spiritual. Okay? For someone here. Some of you guys, some of you Aries, some of y'all are prone to getting sick in the summertime or catching colds in the summertime or some shit like that. Knave of Swords. Very interesting, Aries. With this Knave of Swords here, this is very interesting. So, y'all are watching someone or someone is watching you. Okay? I'm not sure what this is or why the hangman keeps popping up all of a sudden here. Someone may be being questioned by authorities or by a detective. I'm hearing someone be Mirandized. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you in a court of law. There's something that you have to say, Aries, that may be very key. Okay, I feel like you're holding back some sort of truth, and what you have to say about a situation may actually be very key to busting that case wide open here or something. Okay? You could be watching someone, or someone could be watching you. Someone could be watching you or studying you or trying to learn something from you, or they're trying to gain access to somebody. First of all, I don't like what I'm picking up on. With this Knave of Swords, Page of Swords energy, and there's a key here. It's your mental energy. Somebody could be trying to gain access into your mental energy. I don't like that. Someone here could be trying to do mind magic on someone to keep them from speaking up or keep them from speaking the truth or seeing the truth of something. And I don't like that. Divine Holy Spirit of love and life, enters the ancient guides of the Aries. Whoever this is that's been watching you or stalking you, quite possibly, they're going to get caught up though. If someone is watching you, they are not seeing that they are being watched. And be careful if you're watching someone, because that means there's someone watching you watch someone. Okay? Very interesting. I just heard, I've been watching you, watching me, and I know you want it. It just depends on how you kick your game. This left eye, yo, all I want to do is kiss your hand and just let you know I'm not just another fan. I am the man, and I don't give a damn about who you know. I got a 48 track studio back at the crib, so stop by. You know where I live. Well, who is that girlfriend all on your back, Nicole? I'm just a dude that followed you to the coat rack. Oh, shit. So you were out somewhere and somebody tried to speak to you or holler at you or something like that. You had a very brief interaction with someone and someone was following you or watching you or whatever like this. And they're trying to claim to be connected with you, and you only had one encounter or only ever spoke to them one or two times, boy, you are spiritually gifted and you were long ago sifted. Card number 58. 5 and 8 breaks down to a 13 4. 13s have to do with your personal magic. You could have been the black sheep of your family, Aries. You're getting ready to be abundantly blessed. You are spiritually gifted, and thus you were long ago sifted. People have their eyes on you because the divine Holy Spirit, you're the black sheep. They try to scapegoat their problems off onto you, but you have been set apart. You have been set apart by the divine Holy Spirit. So if you wonder why they watching you, watching me, and they know you want it, yeah, you got people they watching you. They people with their eyes on you, and it's because they know it. The divine Holy Spirit is raising you up here. You have infinite possibilities. Luck and abundance is going in your favor. Karma is coming about. Keep that in mind. Whichever end of it you're on, it's coming, okay? So, infinite possibilities for you. It's a major wrap up of certain karmic cycles here, and whoever this is that's been watching you or stalking you because they know you're divine or abundant, they need to be careful. Because if they're watching you thinking they're going to get anything about you, there's someone watching them watch you. But that's how divine works, okay? Peace and love supreme to you all, my Aries viewers.